So guys, we're back. I've got a little interior mod that I've done to the car. I've already done it, so I've recorded it anyway, but I'm just gonna go through what it was. So you don't really see this on a lot of F series or anything like that, but you know, the ambient lighting on this car is not the best. As you probably saw in one of my previous videos, I installed some footwell lights to, you know, brighten up the cabin. So what I've done in this video is I've got some speaker grills, and they've got ambient lighting rings around it that'll match the current ambient lighting that we've got in the door cards, and it is all plug and play, which is a godsend, to be honest. So you don't have to strip wires, nothing like that. All you do is plug it in, and it literally takes power from the door cards, and you can control it through the iDrive, through the center console. So it's perfect, it's seamless. And I have got them installed. You can't really see them because it's daytime now, but what we'll do is we'll wait till it gets dark, and then I'll show you, and they'll pop off. So I did install these in my 3 series, but before, you know, that went and everything, I took them out, and I never had the opportunity to install them again on the 4 series. And as you can tell by the British weather, it's not the best. It is a bit bipolar, but literally just before I finished installing them, and it started to rain now. So luckily we got the front 2 done. Obviously I didn't manage to get to the back, so that'll be for another time, probably another video maybe. But let me know if you want that. But literally these are plug and play, and let me tell you, they look amazing. So you do really only have 2 colors. It's really orange and blue. The only downside is that the door cards on this is orange and white. So I'll have to see what it looks like, but I think white and that'll be blue. I think it'll give a nice contrast, so it should be nice. But we'll have to wait till nighttime to see how it is. But don't worry, I'll get back to you, give some B-roll, everything like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what you get in the packaging when you do order these. So what you do is you get 4 of these. So you'll get 4 of the speaker surrounds, and what it does is basically it comes with the acrylic tube around it. That's basically what lights up the speaker grill. So as you can see, it just looks like a standard speaker grill. The only difference is I think this is a gloss black when you get and the standard is like more of a matte finish. But apart from that, you won't be able to tell any difference. Is basically the exact same, and it just has the acrylic tube around it. So what you do is you get these cables with it as well. So this is the part that I'll plug into the little tube that has the LED in there that shoots the light, and that's what lights up the whole surround. And then you got a male and female cable right here. So what you do is you'll disconnect the original power cable that powers the ambient lighting. So you'll plug that into this, and then you'll plug this back in to the original ambient lighting. So what this basically does is it basically takes power from the original ambient lighting and then just basically passes it to this. That's how it's all controlled through the iDrive, because it's basically plug and play. You don't need any of the wires, anything like that. Literally it just all plug and play. And obviously you get 4 of these cables, you'll get 4 of these, and then yeah, that's all you get in the box. That's basically all you need, and literally that's what does it. So literally it's not complicated, it's nothing like that. Literally anyone can do it. But yeah, just thought I'll show you what you get in the box. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you a little voiceover of the installation that I have done. So as you can see in the video, what I am doing is I'm literally just using my plastic trim removal tool just to remove that silver trim piece, as we do need to remove that, as there are 2 T25 screws that we do need to unscrew, as that's what's holding in the door card. So once you have removed them 2 screws, all you need to do is grab at the door card and literally just pull at it from different angles. You do need to be quite firm with it, as there are quite a few clips around holding it together, but once you give it a good tug, it should come off. You don't have to disconnect everything from the door card, you can't just let it hang like I do. So the next thing we are going to do is we're going to use our trim removal tool and pop off the existing speaker surround, as we are replacing it with the new one with the lighting. So you want to feed the cable through the hole and then
pop in the speaker surround, make sure it's clipped in, and then once you fed the cable through, we're going to disconnect the OEM power cable that's powering that current ambient lighting. We're going to connect that into the new harness, and then we're going to plug the other end back into the ambient lighting strip. This is the best time to test if everything's working, as we've got everything taken apart right now. So once we can test it's working and everything's good to go, then we can pop everything back together, and then basically repeat the exact same process on the passenger side. So guys, that's the end of it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are gonna do it. It's a beautiful mod, and it literally makes the interior so much cozy, and it just makes the ambient lighting pop. So you can do this on the F30 and 4 series. You can do it on a lot of models, I believe, but you know, I believe you do need the ambient lighting in your car. So if you don't have factory ambient lighting in the door cards or anything like that, then I don't think this is possible for you, and you'd have to look at some other aftermarket solutions. But this is all OEM, and it does look very nice. But anyway, let me know what you guys think, and drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.